In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an appointment from your Outlook calendar. Whether it's an entry you no longer need or a meeting that has been canceled, knowing how to efficiently manage your calendar can greatly improve your organizational skills. Now let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your calendar. This can be done by locating the calendar icon within your Outlook application. It's typically found on the left-hand side of your screen, usually represented by an icon that resembles a small calendar. Give it a click and you'll be taken to your calendar view where all your scheduled appointments and meetings are displayed. Once you're in your calendar, the next step is to find the appointment you wish to remove. Take a moment to scroll through your schedule until you locate the specific entry you want to delete. Clicking on it will highlight the appointment, making it the active selection on your screen. Now here's where you execute the removal. With the appointment selected, you're going to right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with various options. Among these options, you're going to look for one labeled Delete. It's the command you need to remove that appointment from your schedule. At this point, Outlook may prompt you to confirm your action. You'll see a message asking if you're sure you want to delete the entry. This step is designed to prevent accidental deletions of appointments you may still need. If you are indeed sure about wanting to remove it, go ahead and click Delete again to confirm your decision, and that's all there is to it. You have successfully removed an appointment from your Outlook calendar. It's important to remember that this process is irreversible, so make sure you're positive about your choice before you confirm the deletion. If the appointment is recurring, you might have additional options to either delete just this instance or the entire series. Always double check which option you're choosing to ensure you're managing your calendar as intended. Before we wrap up, let me offer a couple of quick tips. For those using Outlook on different devices, the interface might look slightly different, but the basic process remains the same. Also, if you're dealing with a large number of appointments and need to quickly clean up your calendar, utilizing Outlook's search function to find entries by name or date can be incredibly handy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Knowing how to tackle these small tasks can make a world of difference in keeping your schedule organized. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our helpful tutorials. See you next time.